So, good morning. Today we made our way to Phuket Old Town, and we're currently in Thalang Road, which is probably the most picturesque road in town, where you can enjoy a lot of these typical houses, which from what I understand is a mixture of Singaporean and Portuguese architecture merged into one. And a lot of these have been built during the tin mining business, which was booming earlier. So yeah, we'll have a walk through the street, enjoy the architecture, maybe get some food. Thanks. So, a lot of the facades on this street, a lot have been converted into shops. But this one is a very well preserved facade of the Sino-Portuguese era. You can see the intricate wall carvings on the door, the typical two windows on each side of the door, the Chinese lanterns. I think it's a stunning facade, the vibrant colors also. So it's really charming. And a lot of this has been lost, I think, with all the conversions of shops, as you can see in front of us. A lot of these facades have all been converted to cafes. It's really charming.
This is Soi Rommani, a short street with a long, colorful history. Today it is full of cafes, ice cream parlors, and posh guest houses. But a long time ago, it was the red light district of Phuket Town. Time for some ice cream from Thaivetro. This is known for delicious homemade ice cream with a large selection of flavors.
So with our ice cream, we get banana almond caramel and banana coconut milk. Let's try them. So I'm gonna be trying another dish called mu hong, which is basically braised pork belly with Chinese 5 spice and some other sauce, obviously with rice. So let's give it a taste. Okay, so this is Chinpracha House. I might have said it wrong, but it's basically a house of one of the tin merchants. It's about 120 years old, and it's been conserved pretty much the same way it has been like for 100 years. No, it's just have a look around.
This is a lantern fan. So lantern to keep. They try to make it so it go with the Chinese things as well, yeah. And if you look carefully here, you will see only birds. You will see only flowers, and the British also come with flowers only, yeah. So that's why it mixes very well. No dragon here because Chinese Hokkien. We don't use dragon to decorate the house. Dragon is something is high, so we don't use it. We only use phoenix bird, turtle, fish, good luck thing. Okay, so the British know also, so they make the same thing. So they go together. Clothing here influenced through Malaysia. Here. Okay. All right. That's the wedding. So this Chinese group merged with the local. This 121. So before we have a girls' school, the girl have to study at home. So that's why the kitchen is big. Another thing is girl and boy cannot mix together, cannot meet. To put food here also for him. Okay, and this is still the original. We cannot destroy this. We cannot demolish this. This is the old kitchen, and therefore. Because this is where the God lives. Okay. And because of that, you are not allowed to lean on this. You are not allowed to sit on this. You have to clean up every day after you use it. All right. Because this is where the God lives.
Okay. So we just finished our tour of the Chinpracha House. I must say we were very lucky because as soon as we entered the house, we were greeted by this guy, and he sort of told us to join a kind of small tour that he was giving. And after a few moments, we realized that he is actually the owner of the house. So he's the fifth generation owner of the house. The house is about 122 something years old. And we were very lucky to have him to show us around, give us some history of his family, history of the house, why certain things are there and why certain things are used in weddings and other day-to-day things. So yeah, it was a really lucky to have this experience with him. So we just stepped out of house now because whilst he was talking to us, he sort of did mention that the mansion next door, he considers it as the best looking house in the old town. So we're gonna try to have a look inside as well. And yeah, it was great. So we are at the Blue Elephant, and they have a stall full of typical stuff, pastes and curries and sauces and all sorts of things that you can use in Thai dishes. I'm considering getting the tomka one, which you can use to make a tomka gai soup, and pat krapao, which I tasted yesterday, which is very good as well, and potentially as well the galangal, which is a kind of like ginger but stronger. But this is also essential for some of the soups as well. So this is, I don't think this kind of stuff that we can easily find in Malta, but yeah, we're stocking up on Thai stuff. Should we eat here?
In our next and final video, we will share with you our hotel Cape Panwa's amenities, restaurants, beach, and of course our room tour. So keep watching.